What's up, everybody? Welcome to Jared Tries Circus, episode 41. Hope y'all keeping it green out there. Apologies for no video yesterday. A lot of festivities on Sunday, you know what I mean? And pretty much still recovering from that. So let's go ahead and get into it. It's episode 42, I think. Where is my screen? I can't find my screen. There it is. All right. So pretty much Monday, I did not trade. Was no way I was sitting on the computer. I was half dead. But I did close my swings from Friday. I had one to the long side, one to the short side. Unfortunately, the long side didn't work out. ACM gave everything back the whole day, so I'm not trying to hold on to that. I wanted to see it break this high. No shot. So we closed that one out for a nice little loss. And then beyond, I just closed it right in the morning yesterday. Yeah, sometime here. I was not trying to sit around and trade. I was hurting, so that's where your boy was. But let's get into today. And then I took 2 swings yesterday. I'm bearish on the market. Let's get into the market real quick. I have no idea what's gonna happen, man. I'm just bearish on it. Yesterday, big red day, a lot of sellers, look at all that pressure, big wick at the top. I was, expecting a little bit of follow through, or at least test this, trend line again. And no shot. Gapped up and had a bullish trend day. Now, obviously, I took these swings yesterday to the short side. And so they didn't work out right away. I'm still holding them. So I have more of a balanced portfolio right now. So anyways, yesterday was 50% win rate. I mean, I didn't really trade, so those are swings. $170 loss. We'll deal with that. And then getting into today. Let's see. I'm just trying to dip my toes back in. We've been struggling, and I'm trying to take my wins when I can get them. I've just been so hard on myself, man. Like, I had a killer first week, and I'm like, you got it. And then you start taking L's, and you're like, holy shit, you don't know anything, and then it's this constant cycle. But at the end of the day, I just need to buckle down and, get back to the rules and being patient and stuff that got me my green weeks. And market first every time. So a couple of these, they were good picks. Took some base hits. I got into the bullish moves a little bit later just because I didn't trust the bounce. And then I only got in at the tail end, of these moves. And, by then it's already too late and it's about to pull back. So these were little base hits. Let's get into it. Zim. Beautiful daily. I love it. And, even though it has this daily, I'm not as confident in going long in it because at any moment, the whole day might retrace, just like how it did on ACM. You know what I mean? But I got to have a short memory and just focus on this stock, what it's showing me at this time. And hopefully the probability is in my favor, right? So top right-hand corner of the D1, orderly SMAs. Let's see. I don't think I could look at the times I got into my trades yet. One second. Here we go. Zim, I did shares. And I got in at 137. So right here in this pullback. And I exited at 201. So right here at the top. Nice little 20-25 minute move. Like I said, I mean, it was strong all day, but I didn't think SPY was gonna keep going, you know. And then the stock was still strong when SPY was consolidating, so I figured it was like, you know, the stock's strong. It's giving me a chance to get out before it starts pulling back, and just took my nice $40. I think I had 80 shares on it, so nice 40 cents, something like that. 50 cents I took on 80 shares, so I'm pretty happy with that trade. And then I took PG. Let's pull up PG. This was to the long side. I love the gap up above the SMA. Took out half of this, you know, big red candle. I'm want to watch it, you know, for some continuation tomorrow. But who knows? It was FOMC tomorrow too, so maybe I shouldn't even have swung anything. I should have been flat actually. Nice, you know, when you figure out your mistakes when it's too late. You know what I mean? But then again, Harry has some swings, man. So we'll see. Confident in my picks. But anyways, PG took a little base hit on this one. Took one contract at 1146. Right up here. Sat through the pullback and got out at 1212. Right at the top here. I like the trade. Obviously, if I wanted to be in over here, but I was letting SPY, you know, play out. Are we really gonna be bullish today? Like, you know, I guess I'm taking my small wins, and you know, we'll be happy with that. No use in killing myself because, you know, I didn't have a crystal ball. So took a nice 25 bucks on that, and then CVS. This one was this. Let's look at the daily. CVS, I got in at 1147, but the daily, I like it above all SMAs. I was looking at this downward sloping trend line right here, the break of that, also gapped up above the SMA, so I like it. Started pulling back at the end of the day. I'm actually swinging it, so I took a little base hit on it, and then did I get back in? Yeah, I got back in because it was one of my favorite dailies, and since I already had the two shorts or the two puts from yesterday, I wanted to balance out my portfolio. I have two longs and two shorts, so I'm back in CVS after I took the base hit on it, and I'm also long J&J. Found this one early too, man. I just didn't believe the day. Didn't believe the day. I love it. Break the horizontal resistance. Broke the downward sloping trend line. But see, yesterday, if I looked at this, I would have felt like there's a bunch of sellers. You know what I mean? But I guess momentum is momentum. Above all SMAs and, you know, blue skies. Well, we'll see. How about the weekly? So it looks like we have some resistance up here at like 179. So like $3 more to go. Yeah, I like it. I like it as a swing. Now, obviously, I just remembered that FOMC is tomorrow and shit. So I'm probably gonna have to try and get out early in the morning. We'll see what happens. I'm really happy the the leaf blower outside wanted to come right next to my apartment right now. Don't get no better. But yeah, I guess we fucking flew through those. But yeah, overall, I like the win rate. You know, a lot of the times I just want to build some confidence back, man. I'm getting slapped around. My video on Friday was super depressing. So I'm gonna be back, you know. Be back in a major way. You know what I mean? I'm back to counting Big Macs, 6 Big Macs at least. And we're trying to stack these green days, and it'll be a green week. Just need to put the market first, man. And it's so hard. But at the end of the day, you know what I mean? It's March. I've really, like, truly been focused on this shit since January. And I'm going to make mistakes. 3 months in, I'm not a pro, man, and I can't expect that of myself. You know what I mean? So yeah, don't be too hard on yourselves. You guys are taking L's too, and if you're keeping it green, shout out to you, man. Teach me something. So tomorrow, I don't know what to expect. You know, there's like this little line right here. If we break that, are we now bullish in the short term? Or, you know, I'm thinking we might test this line down here. If we get a break below that, then we're headed down to, like, you know, I don't know. I have no idea. Let's zoom out a little bit. Oops. Obviously, charting is better on TOS, but you know, 405 back at this candle, 404 back in this candle. So 404, 405. Who knows if we're gonna test that? That's pretty far down, but overall, we gotta stay bearish until we get above these SMAs. You know what I mean? If someone mentioned like a bear cross or a death cross, the SMA 50 cross to 200, I don't know what it actually means, but you know, just try to stay on our pivot, and hopefully we'll be able to stack some green days. So that's it, guys. Appreciate you guys for watching. I really hope you guys are keeping it green. If you've been following the journey so far, I appreciate you. Leave some comments below and help me out, or, you know, ask some questions and I'll try to help you out as well. I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Y'all enjoy your day. See ya.